I'm here on the Indonesian island of Sumatra, a paradise next to the Indian Ocean, and the beach is a plastic rubbish dump. It took 5 minutes for me and a few friends to collect all these straws. Indonesians consume 93 million straws every day. 93 million. No wonder, Indonesia is the second biggest plastic polluter in the world after China. And the restaurant behind me that's responsible for this plastic is owned by a local official. Ini kan, lihat nih Pak, banyak sekali Pak, semuanya sampah dari restoran.
Diakui, kita punya kelemahan itu ada. Tapi, kita pagi-pagi penyu sini, sampah-sampah ini dimakannya.
Nggak sedih Pak, si penyu-penyu itu kalau dia makan plastik dia bisa mati?
Saya malu. Jangan ke sini, kita lihat aja di belakang rumah warga. Kecewa kita, semua ke laut, buang.